Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 6, 1919. Different steps that Jesus takes in the soul to make her live in the divine will. I was all concerned about what my sweet Jesus keeps telling me on the divine volition, and I said to myself, how is it possible that the soul can reach such extent and live more in heaven than on earth? And Jesus, on coming, told me,
My daughter, that which is impossible to the creature, everything is possible for me. It is true that this is the greatest prodigy of my omnipotence and of my love, but when I want, I can do anything, and what seems difficult is very easy to me. However, I want the yes of the creature, and that she lend herself like soft wax to whatever I want to make of her. Even more, you must know that before calling her definitively to live in my volition, I call her every now and then. I strip her of everything. I make her undergo a sort of judgment, because in my will there are no judgments. Things remain all confirmed with me. Judgment is outside of my will, but everything that enters into my volition, who can ever dare to place under judgment? And I never judge myself. Not only this, but many times I make her die, also corporally, and then again I give life back to her, and the soul lives as if she did not live. Her heart is in heaven, and to live is her greatest martyrdom. How many times have I not done this for you? These are all dispositions in order to dispose the soul to live in my will. And then the chains of my graces, of my repeated visits, how many have I not given you? Everything was to dispose you to the height of living in the immense sea of my will. Therefore, do not want to investigate, but continue your flight.